How to get a Mercury insurance quote in California. Mercury Insurance is a popular choice for affordable auto and home insurance in California, offering competitive rates and multiple discounts. Getting a quote online or through an agent is a straightforward process. Below is a step-by-step guide to obtaining a Mercury insurance quote in California. 1. Visit the Mercury Insurance website. Go to the official Mercury Insurance website to start your quote. Select the type of insurance you need: auto, home, renters, or condo. 2. Enter your personal and vehicle information. Provide your name, address, and contact details. For auto insurance, enter your vehicle make, model, year, and annual mileage. California requires insurers to consider driving history, so you may need to input your driver's license number. 3. Customize your coverage options. Choose your liability limits, deductibles, and optional coverages such as comprehensive and collision. Consider additional protections like rental car reimbursement and roadside assistance. Apply for discounts. Mercury Insurance offers good driver, multi-car, and bundling discounts. Additional savings are available for paying in full, auto-pay enrollment, and paperless billing. If you're a member of an employer group or affinity program, ask about eligibility for special discounts. 5. Review and compare your quote. Mercury will provide an estimated monthly and annual premium based on your details. Compare different coverage levels to find the best balance between cost and protection. If needed, adjust your deductibles or coverage limits to lower your rate. 6. Finalize and purchase your policy. Once you're satisfied with your quote, complete the purchase online or through a Mercury agent. Some policies may require additional verification before approval. 7th, best fit for Mercury Insurance. Quotes in California. Great for California drivers looking for low-cost auto insurance. Best for homeowners and renters who want to bundle policies for extra savings. Not ideal for high-risk drivers, as rates may be higher than Geico or Progressive. Getting a Mercury insurance quote in California is quick and easy, with competitive pricing and discounts available. To see the best offers on insurance in your state today, click on the link in the description below. Down.